Bring it by. At any rate, so keep in mind, we have a couple positions where you're going to be moving with your rifle retained today, under retention. So even though the rifle will actually be cleared and shown as clear by the RO, your muzzle is still important. You got to keep that muzzle within the 180, even though you're retaining the rifle and it's empty. So however you want to do that's up to you, but the RO will warn you if you start sweeping people with that muzzle, and if you keep doing it, you'll get DQ'd, so keep that in mind. Let's just go ahead and get things going. We have 32 people today, so we're going to have 4 squads of 8. So when we get going, you'll figure that out. This is the stage 1 chupacabra hunt. As you saw the drawing on the internet, I don't know. While driving through picture rocks, you hit a creature with your car. You get out to investigate and discover a creature you've never seen before. As you're poking it with a stick, you hear screams from the nearby yard. You grab your rifle and go to investigate and find more of the creatures sucking the blood of the picture rocks people. Shooter starts in start box. Rifle will be unloaded, no magazine inserted, slung safely. The RO will verify that the rifle is unloaded. Pistol will be fully loaded and at the low ready. At buzzer, shooter will move to either side of the barricade. There's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go to the left or the right at the start. At the buzzer, shooter will move to either side and neutralize one seal, dog, pepper target with their pistol from each position, and you have to shoot underneath. So for example, this is position 1. You're going to have your rifle with you unloaded. You're going to have your pistol, and you're going to engage the pepper popper from here. Once you've got the pepper popper, you're going to move to the next barricade. You're going to engage it from here. Everything's underneath. Everything, as you can see by the unicorn horn. From the middle position, this is over the top. Underneath, which means any of these holes, and then underneath over there. Once you've engaged all of the pistol steel with your pistol, and you have satisfied you will stage your pistol safely on any of the carpet. So you're not going to reholster, you're just going to put it down on the carpet there or the carpet there. At that point, you will load your rifle, and from underneath each barricade, as we saw, you're now going to engage the chupacabra and the rifle steel. 2 hits on that and 2 hits on that. And then you'll move to the next position. So from there to there, over the top, from here, underneath, and underneath. So each position has 1 chupacabra and 1 rifle steel. Any questions?
How low on this thing?
Underneath any hole.
Any?
No, bottom.
The black line, or the bottom one's on
bottom
the
3 holes. Any of those 3.
So two engagements in the center barrel.
Excuse me. Yeah, one other thing to say about that. That's not 2. This position does not have a chupacabra. As you see, there's 4. This position is only the rifle steel, and it's only 2 rifle steel from the side. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
4 pistol. Transition to your rifle.
Yeah.
Hit 2 on each chupacabra.
It's only 1 pistol. If you hit the thing, you don't need 4 pistol. It's 4 pistol targets. Yeah.
And then you get 2 on each chupacabra and 1 on each steel.
Yeah, but you're right. But it's only 1 chupacabra per position. So this position has 1 paper target and the rifle steel. Okay. Right. This has 1 paper target and the rifle steel. This has just rifle steel. This has 1 paper target and rifle steel, and that has paper target and rifle steel. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You're not going to engage all the paper from each position, just 1.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know if it's fair to call me sir with this, but that's acceptable. All right.
Remember, the X is also a no-shoot.
Yes, the X is a no-shoot, and standard axe scoring, if you're not familiar, it is 2 hits on the target. You need at least 1 in the -1 or better, and the 0, obviously the penalty is 0. There's no penalty. 1 is 1 second, and the outside is 3 seconds. If you shoot more than that on it, that's fine. The best hits count. Okay? Any questions? This is on video, by the way. Thank you. All right. Any questions? All right.